Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to draw Sonic step by step. Let's get started. I'll start by drawing a circle using it. Divide it vertically through the middle and then divide it horizontally through the middle once. Now we will divide these two halves of the circle vertically once more. We will divide the upper part of the circle in half, this time horizontally. Divide the lower part of the circle too, like this. For the upper part of the eye, I am making these dots. This will be the reference for the shape. Since we have a reference, we can draw the final lines. For drawing complicated shapes, you can break it down into simple geometrical forms, which makes the process of creating it much easier. Since we are drawing a face from the front pose, we need to repeat the same process on the other side of the face. I am creating a triangle that starts at the eyebrow, extends down to the nose, and in the middle I will draw the frown lines. Let's draw the nose here. By referring to this graphic, you will be able to easily draw the eyes. These tilt lines, which will help me to draw people in the correct angle. I will leave two small circles for the reflections. After doing shading, we are done with the eyes. Now I'm drawing Sonic's mouth and he's smiling. Sonic has a round shaped chin and no defined jawline. I begin by drawing two square-like shapes for the basic structure of Sonic's ear. I position them slightly upward on his head, then refine the shapes into ears-like forms. I am drawing a reference line to help guide the placement of Sonic's hair. Since we have the reference line, I am finalizing the final details of hair. After this final details, the Sonic tutorial is completed. If you liked it, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks again to Jamie for requesting this video. I'll see you in the next one.